Hello learners. In this topic, let's discuss about information management. Do you know about information management? It is an emerging field that is concerned with the infrastructure used to collect, manage, preserve, store and deliver information. The guiding principles that allow information to be available to the right people at the right time. File management system. It is used for file maintenance or management operations. It is a type of software that manages data files in a computer system. A file management system has limited capabilities and is designed to manage individual or group files such as special office documents and records. It may display report details like owner creation, state of completion, similar features useful in an office environment. Information management layered structuring model that defines layers of information management. Example, with respect to the level of technology used. Purpose of information management. Its purpose is to design, develop, manage, and use information with insight and innovation, support decision making, and create value for individuals, organizations, community, and societies. Human resource allocation (HRA) can be viewed as core processes of the project management of information systems, both in organizations, the business of which is provide solutions of information systems, as in units of companies that work with information systems. There are frequent demands for human resources to be allocated to information system projects. Purpose of information management. However, this is not a simple task and becomes more complex as the numbers of projects and professionals, including the range of expertise required, increase. The paper presents a methodology based on the dynamic programming to assign human resources to software development projects. The methodology considers the complexity of each project and the existing capabilities of staff and the skills required for the project. A simulation is used to demonstrate the decision model.